So today we're gonna talk about Pillow library. What is Pillow? Pillow is a Python imaging library. With Pillow you can manipulate images, you can save and open images and do a lot of stuff. So if you don't have Pillow, you just go ahead and download Pillow from Python, or you can just type from your command prompt pipe installed or pip install Pillow. So Pillow is short form of Pillow is short for pill. Okay, Python imaging library. So what we can do with Pillow? We can create images with Pillow. So let's go ahead and create an image. This image and image draw. So it takes three arguments: mode, size, and color. Mode means, do you want your image to be black and white or RGB? RGB means red, green, and blue. Every image you see is a combination of red, green, blue. I mean RGB. Okay. So the mode should be RGB. The size should be and let's make it light blue. Okay. So let's draw a rectangle. It takes two arguments: the size and the color. So if you show this, okay, it's image. So you run this now, you can see a light blue background and a orange rectangle. Let's make it square. So if you run this now, you can, yeah, here you go, it became a sun. Okay, I call it sun, whatever. So you can see a light blue, it's just a drawing of a sun and the sky, maybe. So whatever, you can do awesome stuffs like this with Pillow. So yeah, that's all for today.